Small cap stocks can sometimes move 100, 200, or 300% in just a few days, but most traders miss them. They either get in too early or too late. Today, I'm going to show you some small cap stocks that have just exploded on big volume, moving higher and look to be moving much higher in the future. Let's get into it and have a look at some charts. So we'll go straight into the VRA stock. We're currently in the TradeVision app, which is what I use, and I use it for finding breakouts. It's really good. Link in the description below if you want a free trial. And so we'll start with VRA, Vera Bradley Inc. And it's just come right down the stock and is starting to move. So breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, breakout. So they probably will come down again. Let's have a look at a chart here of VRA, a slightly more detailed version. So here we are pulling back, and it's pulling back again. At this time, it's popped up above $3.30 for the first time, which I really like the look of it. So I've put a little blue line in there, and we will be watching VRA like a hawk. The next one off the bat is Sing, C-I-N-G, and sadly, I got in a little bit too early. I got stopped out here at 10% loss, and look at that. It has exploded, and in post-market, it's gone up even further up to 11.22. So better luck next time, mate. I may get in on a pullback. It's got a lot of juice and it could be going higher, so I'll keep an eye on Sing. LXU is the trade of the day. It's looking really good. It's had a pullback and then a big gap up, and it's popping up again. So I like the look of this one. LXU, keep an eye on that. It's looking like it's going places. ACTG, Acacia Research, has just popped on huge volume, and it's got a successful 121% surprise on earnings, and so it's jumped up massively and had a big volume of 2.8 mil. Big volume for a micro cap, not big volume for an Nvidia or something, but this is small cap since that's where we like the movements. So it's popped and that's ready to rock. B-Way is sort of slow and steady. It's just popped up above $12. We'll have a little pullback and continue higher, no doubt. So that looks like a good one. And this is super interesting. OCGN, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, and it's just had a breakout above that previous resistance of, where are we at? About $2. So big gap up, positive earnings. We'll have a little pullback and we'll trend higher, no doubt about it. So if you are interested in small cap stocks and want to find out the breakouts and see where it's going, then like the video, please, and subscribe here and check out that video over there. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers. Bye.